Hi.
Say your name. Say your name.
My name is Renee.
How old are you?
I'm 5.
No, you're 3.
I'm 10.
And
This is Steve.
no, that's 8.
I'm T.
What day is it?
The 8th.
March 8th. No, March 15th.
March 8th.
No, so. When's your birthday?
In July.
July what?
8th.
Talk.
What do I say now?
You can say anything you want. You could say that you're weirdo, you like Frozen.
That is a weirdo.
That's what she calls me.
I know that.
You want me to hold it there? Okay, go.
Hello, my name is Tanaka Yasha. You hold it.
You can. Yeah.
I like the Lucy. I like the Lucy.
Wait, who's that?
What? Jesus.
What is he doing?
Praying.
Praying to who?
God.
Who's God?
And there's God.
No, who is he?
Made the man from Moses.
What? He made the earth.
He made the world.
No, it's the earth, not the world.
Come on, it's
Who's that?
What?
Who's that?
What?
The potato.
He don't know, guys.
Yeah. You want to end the video or you want to keep going?
I'm ending the video.